this video is to accompany the creation of your cocktail. So included in the pattern, you will have the full instructions to make the glass. So if you just want to make it empty like this, you could make it entirely from silver and you'd need 75 grams to do it completely empty. Then to do it half full, and you've got that instruction that allows you to do it half full like that, so your liquid is on the inside, you'd need 50 grams of your glass and then 25 grams of the cocktail colour in your choice. Or what I think probably will be the most popular is obviously wanting that to be really full of the drink of your choice. So here you'll just need 25 grams of the silver for the glass, and then you'll need 50 grams for your contrasting colour. And this pattern has then got obviously the liquid represented right at the top. So then once you've chosen your poison, and obviously you can go for the colour of the drink that you really like, you could even combine colours if you want to, like this. So this represents a hurricane sunrise cocktail, so you're moving from your red through your orange and into your yellow. So once you've chosen your colour and you've put that in, it really is down to dressing it with the accessories. So the patterns included, just to talk through them so you've got all of those. Your banana leaf, what you'll need to be doing there is different lengths of stitches. So you have your double crochets, half trebles, trebles and double trebles down to create that banana leaf. You've got your berries, so they're little blueberries that you can put on. Your glacé cherries, all really nice basic techniques. Your sprig of mint. You've got your curly lemon peel like that, a really fun technique to do. I'm actually going to show you these scales now because that's probably the most challenging thing in this whole collection of patterns. Your cucumber slice, and then your citrus half slice, which can be obviously lemon or orange as you choose. And the way that we've found makes them look great is obviously we've used genuine cocktail accessories here to pin them on. Now that would be brilliant obviously if you're making this for an adult, maybe you're making it for an 18th birthday, something like that, you could obviously use those. But if you're making them for a child, all you would need to do is, rather than use something like that, is you could just sew those in place. So if you're making it as play food, you'd be able to just sew those in place on the top of the cocktail and you get exactly the same effect. So let me just show you the scales for the pineapple, because all the other techniques are really nice and simple and coloured. I hope you have so much fun with this pattern. I can't wait to see them made, especially having fun with matching your liquid level to your colour change on the front as well. So to create the edge of your pineapple slice, you're actually using exactly the same technique that you would be using to make Jane the Pangolin's scales. So it might be quite familiar to some of you, but we're cheating because when we've created the edge of the pineapple, we've actually used 10 treble stitches across the top like that. And so rather than us have to do the setup round that you normally, well, or row should I say, that you normally would have to do, that you work back down, we're actually going to do them directly onto the stitches that we've got there. So take your contrasting colour. I'm going to use lime here, but you can obviously use camel as well, subject to how ripe your pineapple slice is. And then what we're going to do is chain and then do trebles around that treble. You chain in between, and then you actually do the same thing but into the other side like this. Then turning direction again, you miss 2 as you go along, and then go for the same thing again but around that next treble. Turn direction again, and then on the last 2, So once you've got those 3 in place, you'll have those 3 really obvious scales like that. A really nice warm up for a more challenging technique really. So once you've done your pineapple slice, you'll be able to jump straight in with Jane the Pangolin, because you'll understand that theory of putting the scales around those twin treble stitches. So I hope you have tons of fun with this pattern. It's created for TOFT's 18th birthday, but I know it will be one that will be a great gift to make for anybody turning 18, or indeed anybody who just really enjoys a bit of a cocktail.